In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create consistent AI characters in AI video with one image with Hailuo AI. We'll walk through a simple workflow that anchors your character to a single reference image so their look stays steady from the first frame to the last. Begin by opening hailuoi.video in your browser. Give the page a moment to load, and you'll see the main workspace. Head to the Create Video option to start a new project. This opens the canvas where you'll guide the AI with images and a prompt. You'll see controls for a start frame. Choose Image, then open the photo you want to use as your character reference. This image is your anchor. For the most consistent results, pick a clear, well-lit, high-resolution shot where the face is unobstructed and centered. Neutral expressions and simple backgrounds work well, and try to match the aspect ratio of your final video so the framing stays predictable. Next, set the end frame. Choose Image, then open the image you want the video to land on. If you want rock-solid consistency with minimal change, use the same image you used for the start. If you want a gentle transition, like the same character shifting posture or expression, choose a second image that matches the style, lighting, and angle as closely as possible. The more similar they are, the smoother and more consistent the character will appear throughout. Now, type in your prompt. Think of this as the director's note for the AI. Be specific about the character, the motion, and the setting, while keeping it aligned with your reference image. For example, a close-up of the same person from the reference image, softly blinking and smiling slightly, warm indoor lighting, shallow depth of field, natural skin tone, subtle camera sway. Avoid introducing traits that contradict the image, like different hair color or a drastically different age, as that can break consistency. When your prompt looks good, click Create. The system will process your inputs and generate the video. During this stage, clarity and restraint pay off. Short, descriptive prompts tend to perform better than long, conflicting ones. Wait for it to load. Render time can vary with image size and prompt complexity. If you notice unexpected changes, try a higher quality reference. Make the start and end images more alike, or simplify your prompt to reinforce the core look. Small adjustments can dramatically improve stability. And that's the full process. With a solid reference image, a matching end frame, and a focused prompt, Hailuo AI makes it straightforward to keep your AI character consistent from start to finish.